Now let's talk about as far as India's big diplomatic outreach is now concerned on Operation Sindoor. That is all set to begin. With 2 of the 7 all-party delegations that is scheduled to depart from today. It was the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri yesterday who had briefed the 3 of those delegations ahead of their visits to different countries to put across India's stand following the Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor. Now remember, Pakistan is also attempting as far as a poor copy of what India is exactly trying to do. But here, India means business and India is armed with proof and evidence. The delegations that have been briefed that were headed by JDO Sanjay Jha, Shiv Sena Shrikant Shinde and DMK's Kanimodi. As the remaining 4 delegations are likely to be briefed today in the second round of briefing that would happen.
हमारा दल यूएई और वेस्ट अफ्रीका के लिए माननीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ये डेलीगेशन सातों के साथ डेलीगेशन अलग अलग देशों में जा रहे हैं। हमारे देश का भारत का स्टैंड बताएं और यहाँ पर एमईए के माध्यम से हर एक देश को ब्रीफिंग की गई और उसी तरीके से हमारा स्टैंड टेररिज्म पे क्या है, किस प्रकार से इतने सालों तक भारत जो टेररिज्म के खिलाफ लड़ रहा है उसके बारे में यहाँ पर ब्रीफिंग की गई। मुझे लगता है कि बहुत यूजफुल थी। इसका इस्तेमाल जो है जहाँ जहाँ हम लोग जाएंगे वहाँ होगा।
So as far as these delegations are concerned, we have accessed when it comes to the inside details of this briefing that was done yesterday, and let's put out the details exactly what was done on the briefing that was given to these parliamentarians who now become the voice of India, which would be going across to multiple countries to actually set the record straight of what Operation Sindoor is all about, why India was forced to retaliate, and what a rogue and a terror country is Pakistan. Let's in the meantime put across what has been said in the briefing by the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri to the multi-party panels. Scoop 1 that we are learning, there was a detailed briefing given on the ceasefire understanding that reached out between the 2 countries. This is a bilateral understanding, only a pause in Operation Sindoor. Now what is being said that the members were also told that the Pakistani DGMO made the first call. This is a fact, irrespective of a narrative and a false propaganda that is being spread by Pakistan. It was the Pakistani DGMO who had dialed his counterpart in India. Also, what is being said that the members were told that Trump's mediation claim is incorrect. Another important point to be noted exactly when it comes to saying that there was no interference on part of the United States of America. This is a bilateral issue between India and Pakistan. What is also being said that the members were briefed in detail about Operation Sindoor, why was it important, and also the focus now on India's concerns regarding terrorism as well. And these panels have also been asked to expose Pakistan on the issue of terrorism, because Pakistan has now become synonymous to terror state as well. Let's in the meantime also speak of the other 2 delegations as well. What is being said that these 2 delegations who will be departing today to multiple countries that have been assigned to them. So let's take a look as far as India's diplomatic squad and how does it look like. First delegation, which is led by Sanjay Jha, as it leaves at around 11:30 a.m. flight, as multiple countries that they would be now covering. The second delegation is led by Shrikant Shinde, and that leaves at around 9:15 p.m. flight tonight. So this is the 2 delegations that we are looking at as part of 7 delegations that are now being led by multiple parliamentarians as well. So Yavar and Namika are connected with us. Good morning to both of you. Yavar, as far as these delegations and these roles are now concerned, because this is important to highlight a united front. Of course, they may have different opinions on ground, but when it comes to national security and patriotism, India is together, and that is exactly why we have to expose Pakistan on a global stage.
Well, exactly, Amita. If we talk about the delegations, this is a key development that we have been witnessing after the successful Operation Sindoor. Now, see, one delegation will be led by the Sanjay Jha and another by the other leaders as well. But if we focus on the Jammu and Kashmir, there's also a delegation that's arriving here. Now the TMC has decided to send their members here. 5 members delegation will be here for the next 2 days. Now sources privy to the development says that at around 11 they are expected to arrive here, and they will straightly go to the Srinagar, where they will meet a few people, and after that, the focus will be the Rajouri and Poch as well. So after the Operation Sindoor, we have been witnessing that several parties have sending their delegations to the various locations, from the center or the regional parties as well. So
Yes.
this is the message that has been sent that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas,
Yes.
and three multi-party delegations will also be briefed on the ground. And in Kashmir, there will also be a delegation.
Of course, they have been apprised as far as what Operation Sindoor is all about, the message that was given by the Prime Minister, and what is the current situation looking like as far as no interference by the United States, and also calling it as a strict bilateral issue between the two countries. Nyamika, let's come to you, because we play out exactly what the former External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid has said. He's been speaking to the reporters and has informed about the briefing, and Khurshid has said that there was no mediation involved between India and Pakistan, and whatever happened between the two nations, these remarks were critical, especially at the time when their own leadership from the Congress has been seeking to corner the government over Trump's claim of mediation and ceasefire. Later, when Khurshid was quoted by news agencies saying that whatever question was asked from him, he answered that.
किसी किस्म का हस्तक्षेप कहीं नहीं था, कहीं मध्यस्थता नहीं थी, लेकिन जब विश्व में ऐसी चीज होती है तो अलग अलग लोग प्रयास करते हैं कि कुछ संदेश दें, कुछ कहें, कुछ पहुंचाएं, लेकिन जो कुछ भी हुआ है वो दोनों देशों के बीच में ही हुआ है। एस्केलेट हुआ था मामला तो हमारे बीच का था, जब खत्म हुआ, समाप्त हुआ तो हमारे बीच का समाप्त हुआ। पाकिस्तान डीजीएमओ की ओर से पहल हुई, उन्होंने ये कहा कि इसको हम समाप्त करें। हमने कहा कि आप समाप्त करने के तैयार हैं तो कर दीजिए, 5 बजे समाप्त हो। देश में राजनीति है, जो देश में हमारा अधिकार है, दायित्व है, वो अलग है। देश के बारे में बाहर जाकर जो बोलना है वो अलग है।
Now, whatever as far as when it comes to the individuals who would be now traveling, as far as our parliamentarians are concerned, those who have had an understanding of diplomatic, outreach, and of course top bureaucrats are concerned, they have knowledge, they are aware how diplomacy works. Now, this is not something where an area that needs to be politicized in an effect that brings certain questions to Operation Sindoor, our government and our forces.
Well, Amita, firstly, I would like to mention here that it was later on being clarified on the part of Mr. Salman Khurshid that he has been misquoted by the news agencies, and that's the reason why he had categorically mentioned that the reporters there within the parliament had asked him that what was the stand of the government of India, what all briefing was being done in the yesterday's meeting where all the members of this all-party delegation were being present, and for that reason, Mr. Salman Khurshid had given this statement that the government of India had informed him that there was no interference from a third party, and it was a bilateral decision which was being taken to announce ceasefire between India and Pakistan. However, Salman Khurshid has also mentioned that how the Foreign Secretary has briefed them about the Operation Sindoor, saying that it was firstly the Pakistan's DGMO which had initiated for the talks, and that is the reason why India has also accepted that this war should be stopped. So that is the reason why
as far as the statement that was given by Salman Khurshid, first he says that he had only answered to the question that the reporters were asking because he was briefed on Operation Sindoor, what the government has said. This is the clarification that later came in from the top Congress leader. Nyamika Yawar, for the moment, thank you very much for joining it. Back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.